Hey guys, this is Kai. Today I'm going to cook for you beef kansi. This is my hometown dish. By the way, I'm a Filipina who lives in the island of Visayas Negros Occidental, Bacolod City, the city of smile. So here we go. I will show you all the ingredients for beef kansi. Let me tell you first how to make Annato oil, or we call it Atsuete, because it's one of the ingredients. Combine 3 tablespoons of Annato seeds with 5 tablespoons of any cooking oil. Pour the mixture in a pan and heat it very low until the oil turns red. Remove the seeds, then it's ready to use. Now let's prepare the ingredients. First thing, get 7 cloves of garlic. Bash it with a knife so it's easy to peel off the skin. Slice and mince it, then set it aside for later. Get 1 onion, peel it, and take note, don't cut the roots from the very beginning if you don't want to tear off from the start. Slice and mince it, then set it aside next to the garlic for now. Take 2 pieces of ginger, peel it, and cut thinly into strips. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to receive my future videos. Get 2 tomatoes, wata! Chop with video magic. 2 stalks of lemongrass. I like to bash the lemongrass stalks to release the aroma. Its fresh, citrusy scent make the dish taste more fragrant. And then chop spring onions for garnishing. It's optional. Also, you can add fried garlic for garnish if you like. Now let's slow cook the beef shanks. First thing, I slow cook the beef shanks for 1 hour. Add 1 liter of water so the meat will be very soft and then the broth will taste yummier. I just use a rice cooker. Add water if needed. Now let's heat the cooking pot on low-medium heat. Put the Annato oil. When it's hot, put first the minced onion, minced garlic, mix it well, then add the diced tomato. Add the ginger strips and put the slow-cooked beef chunks. Cover it and simmer for 1 minute and flip to the other side for another minute. Pour in the beef broth and put the lemongrass and season with salt, pepper, tamarind powder. Mix it well. Add the green jackfruit. Let it boil for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, lastly, put the chilies and let it boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and serve it in your favorite soup dish. So let me tell you one thing. Most Ilonggo are used to make the broth sour. We use a fruit that's called Batwan. It belongs to the same family of fruits as mangosteen. Because I am not in my hometown, I replace it with tamarind powder which gives a similar result. Here you go, my beef kansi is ready. Let's eat! Thanks a lot for watching. I am still new to the platform, so I ask you, please, if you enjoyed this video, tell a friend about it. Like the video because it tells YouTube that my video is helpful, and I'll be posting again next week. Hit subscribe to see what I will cook next. Love you all!